You should take the small one out first. The small one should be on the top. You take the small one out. Okay, take another one. Now you take a big one first, and this one should be on the top. But I'm going to take the big one. Okay. You rub your head too. Okay, finished? Go to check. Oh, lid. Okay. Put it on the wok. Then close the door softly. Okay, and so, not yet finished. Put the cloth on the table. Okay, and then the lion. Okay, good boy. Clap your hands.